Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone.
Today we will be discussing how to enable dark theme in Microsoft Excel. If you're tired of staring at that bright white screen, or if you just prefer a darker aesthetic, this video is for you. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to switch your Excel interface to a sleek, eye-friendly dark mode. It's actually super easy. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tips and tricks.
Now, let's get started.
Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open up Microsoft Excel. Now, look down at the bottom left of the screen. See that little tab that says File? Go ahead and click on that. Okay, a bunch of options should have popped up. Look for the option that says Options near the bottom. Click on that. This will open the Excel Options window. In this window, you should see a menu on the left-hand side. Make sure you've got General selected. It's usually the first one. Now, look over to the right side of the window.
Scroll down a little until you see a section labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office.
In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Office Theme. Click on that menu. You should see a few options here: Use System Setting, White, Dark Gray, Black, and Colorful. To enable dark mode, simply select either dark gray or black. Dark gray will give you a slightly lighter, more muted dark theme, while black will give you a true, deep black interface. Choose whichever one you prefer. Once you've selected your desired theme, click OK at the bottom of the Excel Options window. And that's it. You should now see Excel in dark mode.
Pretty simple, right?
So there you have it. That's how you enable dark theme in Microsoft Excel. It's a quick and easy way to make your Excel experience more comfortable, especially when working for long periods of time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more Excel tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.